Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Your good friend Walter here at the workbench. So today, I did an unboxing of the Lake Erie Toolworks replacement blade. And just wanted to do another video, a short version, because I had a little bit of challenge with the frog on my one number 6, but it's working beautiful on this one. So Lake Erie Toolworks CPM MagnaCut. So it is a powdered metal blade made of steel with an ultra fine grain structure, including extra hard vanadium and niobium carbides for incredible wear. What I did, and you could see it in the long version video, you can fast through a bunch of the fuddling around with the old plane. I honed it on diamond hones. I started with 180, went to 300, went to 1,000. Then I took my old Arkansas stone and just gave it a polish, right? Didn't take it any further than that. Didn't put any sort of a camber on it. Didn't round the corners, just straight across. Quick and dirty. As you can see, I have my microphone on today, so I don't have to yell. So what I have here is a piece of basswood. And as you can see, it's planing beautifully. Now, in years past, see, I'm a little too old school. I like the Stanley irons, and I like 01 tool steel. That's zero, not zero number, the letter O1 tool steel, which is an oil hardening tool steel. I don't particularly like the A2, which Lee Nielsen and a lot of other companies use. It's harder. It holds an edge a little longer, a little trickier to sharpen. This was not too bad to sharpen, a little different than the oil hardening tool steels. But as you can see, it sharpened up just fine. Let me see if I can get a little thinner. So I know many of you might already even own one of these. LakeErieToolworks.com. There we go. Gossamer shavings. Or you might have a Veritas replacement blade, their powdered metal version. So it does beautifully on basswood. So I wanted to see how it would do on oak. So I have a piece of oak here on the bench. Get my bench doggy up here. So let's see. Let's make some lines on that. That's handling it beautifully. I mean, look how much, see, when people tell me how hardwoods are hardwoods and stuff, but look how much air there is in red oak. When you're planing half air. Let's see if we can go a little thicker. There we go. So there you go. Handles red oak just fine. So what I'm going to do is continue to use this blade in the shop here on projects. See how it handles wear. I don't feel any plane tracks, even though I didn't camber that. But it does have a beautiful shine, nice and smooth. So if you're interested in a upgrade, I will always recommend several different companies, one of which you know who I like. But the good people at Lake Erie Toolworks were good enough to send me this one for testing. So give them a call or write them and tell them that Walter from Plain Talk, Dusty Splinters, sent you. Tell them that. And as always, I want to wish you a blessed day. Like, subscribe, and share this video with all your woodworking friends. It means a lot to me. We're trying to get the channel back up and running, and we need your help. So I'm not going to whine and complain about all that, but we need about 2,000 watch hours per month additional. So go back to my old videos, do a search of my old videos on sharpening. If you want, go to the long version of this one and you'll see me sharpening this blade. All right. I don't mind if you watch me sharpen the blade and then fast forward to the end when I switch to planes, because I had it in this plane first, but there is not enough mouth opening. Okay. And I'm not going to file this one open. So there you have it. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.